pleasant and blessed day, my dear friends. How are you? Foremost, I would like to thank our Almighty God for this opportunity to share with you our joy and celebrates God's faithfulness in our lives. Indeed, children are a gift from God. The parents should be the first and consistent teacher to their sons and daughters. Secondly, among other responsibilities of our parents to their children is to bring them up in training and instruction of the Lord. Bata pa sila ay sanayin na natin na magkaroon sila ng takot sa paggawa ng kasamaan at magkaroon ng pagpapahalaga sa kapwa. It is not enough that we provide for their physical and mental needs, but it is our foremost responsibility to develop the characters of our children at an early stage. And what is the best way to teach them? Sa pamamagitan ng ating mga halimbawa. Maraming salamat po. Ayan. May God always bless us. See you again.